Positioned in a secure and highly accessible pocket of Southport, this is a rare opportunity to secure a premium 792 square metre development site. Perfect for building secure man cave units, offices, or a range of commercial buildings. The current office accommodation includes the flexibility of residential use with 134 square metres of versatile office residential space comprising of 6 separate offices, a boardroom, fully equipped kitchen, bathroom with bath and shower, 2 toilets and a welcoming reception area. Additional improvements include a 36 square metre workshop garage, perfect for a range of uses, a 64 square metre triple carport, storage sheds, and generous on-site parking with ample turning space for larger vehicles. The facilities are ideal for professionals, creative and knowledge-based businesses, with its own soundproof studio previously used in major film and television audio production. Entry is by a 3.5 metre wide driveway. The site is securely gated and surrounded by attractive tilt slab walls featuring commissioned street art. The garage has both roller door access and, via a toilet, laundry area. Office areas have phone and high-speed internet, video and audio connections to a communications hub, phone, alarm and CCTV security systems, and rooftop solar panels are installed. Offers above $1.4 million are invited. Call the owner or scan the QR code for more information.